Welcome to this video which shows you how to load Silver Fox's Fox-Flo tie-on cable labels. The same procedures also cover Fox tie-on cable labels and endurance valve tags. First, open the printer. Remove the blue guidance system which you'll find either in the printer lid or in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Now, open the ribbon carriage. Gently move the media guide and the upper sensor fully to the right. To enable you to initially fit the guidance system, use your index finger and thumb to move the lower sensor some 2 centimeters away from the edge of the upper sensor. Then position the guidance system seating hook into the rear lip of the upper sensor arm, as shown here by the yellow arrow. Gently push down the front of the guidance system. Having done this test fit of the guidance system, lift the guidance system at the front so that you can adjust the lower sensor into the correct position for the label type you want to print. Using your thumb and index finger, carefully move the lower sensor to the correct desired position. The yellow arrow in the video shows where the white dot should be for different widths of material. The 50mm marking is also the marking for valve tags. Now, lower the front of the guidance system to check that when viewed from exactly above, the white dot is in the correct position. If it isn't, repeat the previous procedure, making adjustments until the white dot is in the right position. Then, with the box carrying the blank labels located behind the printer, feed your blank labels through to the front of the printer and through the guidance system. To keep the labels in place, gently slide the locating bar across to the right. Before you print your labels, check that the ribbon carriage dials are set correctly. You can find these settings in the printer dialog box. With the ribbon carriage open, gently turn the dials to the appropriate settings. Then close the ribbon carriage and you're ready to print. This video shows a 110mm wide ribbon. This width of ribbon can be used for our full range of thermal labels, but to save you cost and reduce waste, we also offer narrower widths of ribbon. You'll also see suggestions in your printer dialog box on which ribbon widths you can use for the label you're printing. Have a look at the Fox in a Box printer setup video or the dedicated ribbon setup video to see how to load the 3 ribbon widths. Remember that when you leave the printer overnight or for long periods and labels or rolls are loaded in it, you should keep the ribbon carriage open. When moving the printer, please ensure that the spindles together with the ribbon are removed from the ribbon carriage. You can store these in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Fox in a Box can print all Silver Fox's thermal labels for a wide range of applications using one software, one printer and one ribbon. At the end of each print run, your labels will automatically feed out of the printer. The next time you print, the blank labels automatically roll back into the printer. The advanced and professional versions of the software include this unique rollback functionality, saving you money on labels and helping to reduce waste in the environment. The software that drives the Fox in a Box is called Labicus Innovator. With that, you can also print all our laser labels on a laser printer. Other popular options include printing our Legend non-shrink tubing via our Fox in a Box printer, then using a mounting bar to produce tie-on cable labels. Or, using a laser printer, you can print our ProLab polyester A4 self-adhesive sheets to label equipment and cabinets. If you need any further help or information, please contact the Silver Fox support team. We now offer support via WhatsApp, where you can send photos, screen dumps, and even videos. We also offer TeamViewer, so we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thank you for choosing Silver Fox.